Hi, I'm going to present an example of the TPACK model. So, I wanted to have the activity into a place. So I created a web page where I can have the activity with Wix, that is a site that allows you to create web pages for free. So I really liked it, and well, let's explore it. So I have 4 windows. Yeah, actually there are five, but this is a sub window. Well, first I have this window that explains why learning is funny, and then I have writing. That is the content that I wanted to focus on. Why writing? Because sometimes for students it is hard to write because they think that writing is boring because of the grammatical aspects and because it is cognitive demanding. So, well, I wanted to make it a little bit interesting and focus on topic sentences and thesis statements. Well, here is the definition of what is a topic sentence and the example of a topic sentence. Well, we have an image here. And here I have the field trip that I explain what is a field trip. And I have the instructions here because they are going to do a digital field trip in order to look for examples of topic sentences and thesis statements. Here I have a Boki that, well, she is going to talk for me and she is going to give the instructions. However, I wrote the instructions here if the students don't understand and it is not clear. Well, so for example here she's going to talk. Okay, she finished the talk. And then I have click here. Here is the link that I'm going to show later because in this moment, well, my navigator doesn't allow me to go to this web page, but it's because of me, because they changed the domains. But hopefully students can go and see everything, see the web page and the field trip. Well, here is the sub window that is called task. I have task. So first we are only exploring the web page. Task, and here's another Boki. This is a quiz activity that I'm going to explain later with other application that I used. And here is the final task, where they have to write a thesis statement about the perception they have about this painting here, a famous painting. Okay, here is the other window that is called any question. Here is the other Boki. I add music for students motivate. I don't know if they like it, but if you don't like it, or if they don't like it, you just stop here the music and that's all. And it's silent. And here is the other Boki that is going to give us the instructions. Okay. So here they have a nickname. I don't know, maybe they can use their own name, for example, Laura. And the password is optional, however, it's better if you write it. And the password is explained here. She explains the password. Well, she mentioned the password that is learning. So you enter. Then you have to write the thesis statement that you found on the field trip. That is the other page that we are going to look at when we finish this. So here, well, they write, then send it, and it's going to share with all the students that visit the web page. Well, that's for now.